Have you put on so much of weight? Are you pregnant by any chance? Why are you looking so fat? What's wrong with you? These were a few of the remarks I got when I met my friends after 9 years at a college reunion party. I was an NCC cadet. I was an athlete, a dancer, very active in dramatics, and my friends were shocked to see me. At the age of 23, I got married. I wanted to become a perfect mother, a perfect wife, a perfect daughter-in-law. I wanted to fit into that ideal woman's status. In an attempt to become an ideal woman, I completely forgot myself. I lost track of my health. At the age of 29, I was close to 100 kgs of weight, suffering from PCOD, thyroid, depression, and insomnia. I decided this needs to change. I have to take control of my life. What I thought was a small break, it was an onset of a new journey. I started loving going out for walks. I was on a super restrictive diet. I even bought a treadmill so that I can do some running and cardio at home if it is raining too much. Guess what? I lost 18 kgs in 6 months. Good news? Well, it was not. Due to all the unhealthy practices I was doing, I was literally putting myself in starvation. I ended up losing weight in an unhealthy fashion. I became weaker than ever. I lost all my strength, and it started reflecting on my face as well. So I understood there was something that I'm doing wrong, and I did my research. And I came across the concept of strength training. I came across a video where women were lifting heavy weights, and they looked absolutely super strong, very healthy, and beautiful at the same time. I knew that I have to do this. I understood what is clean eating. I understood that you have to eat to lose weight, to look healthy. I did a certificate course in nutrition, and I did a certificate course in fitness training as well. So like most of us, I also started, posting, making journals about my health and my development, my transformation. And to my surprise, I got an overwhelming response. People started connecting with me. It took me no time to understand that so many people want to know what exactly needs to be done, how it needs to be done. That's when the decision came that let's do something on the same front. And I started showcasing my fitness, my ability to lift weight at every possible way in those 3 days of my pageant. Whether it was a talent round or a fitness round, I tried to show that women can be strong and beautiful at the same time. Well, it was taken very positively, and I won the pageant as a second runner-up. And moreover, I won it as the fitness category also. I won Mrs. Body Fit. Thank you. Winning that pageant was my platform. I understood this is what I have to do. In 3 years, I'm a founder of my company, Diksha Chhabra Fitness Consultancy. I'm a social media influencer, a fitness model. I'm working with a lot of international brands, endorsing them. And I'm working with a lot of NGOs, creating awareness about healthy nutrition, healthy lifestyle. When I started posting on social media, hey, I'm ready to take some training. Would you like to come and join me? And people started approaching me. It started with 3 enrollments. Now, within a year, we are 300 strong, 300 people strong. Across the globe, people have taken my plan and understood that fitness is achievable, accessible, and sustainable too. So this was my journey. It had lots of ups and downs, and it was quite a learning. The biggest thing that I learned was to love myself. We women often boast about sacrifices that we make for our family and friends, and there's nothing wrong with it. But there's a very thin line between sacrificing when it's needed and sacrificing when you're trying to please everyone. We feel really guilty to take out that 1 hour of the day for ourselves, leaving our children and family behind, and take care of the things that we want to do it for ourselves. You cannot please everyone. Nobody can help you till the time you are not ready to help yourself. We women are so strong. We are so multi-talented. We are empowered within, that you don't have to carry your child and drop your dreams and aspirations. You can carry your child, your responsibilities, and do it effortlessly with your dreams and aspirations. All you have to do is little bit of juggling, little bit of prioritization, and that's it. Thank you so much.